Electrostatic capacitive keyboards need to be better. Introducing the NIZ L84, an ultra-quiet, smooth, electrostatic capacitive keyboard. Compact, yet powerful. With just 35 decibels of typing sound and a light 30 grams press. The NIZ L84 lets you stay focused without distraction, delivering a consistently smooth and satisfying typing experience. But have you ever been disturbed by the loud, distracting noise of a keyboard and found yourself with no way to stop it, no matter what you tried? Not anymore? Try the NIZ L84 and feel the difference. Equipped with advanced electrostatic capacitive switches, it eliminates noisy typing so that you can work in peace. Designed with an 84-key compact layout, it saves space while keeping full functionality. With a light 30-gram actuation force, just a gentle touch is all it takes for instant response. And if you prefer a firmer press, you can adjust it up to 40 grams with included springs. With the NIZ L84, you can type faster and smoother than ever. Each key is adjustable with 0.1mm precision, so you can fine-tune your setup to perfection. With 0.1mm accuracy and an 8,000 Hz polling rate, experience ultra-low latency for the ultimate gaming performance. Connect up to 7 devices simultaneously with its versatile 3-mode design. You can also seamlessly switch between Windows and Mac OS. The round double-shot keycaps provide a comfortable feel and a stylish aesthetic. And the aluminum alloy casing ensures durability, resisting wear and deformation over time. Whether you're gaming, editing, chatting, or working, NIZ L84 is the perfect choice. Choose from 3 models, the 84 key, the RGB, or the 99 key. NIZ. Experience the next level of typing.